Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Another mighty voice of reggae has fallen. What good, Max Romeo? Now, we saw Max Romeo performing a couple years back and he looked so good. We were amazed at him performing in his 70s. And unfortunately, we saw the news that he passed. So we decided to do a little tribute video to him based on his life. Now let's get into it. No, Max Romeo, born name Maxwell Livingston Smith. He was born on November 22, 1944 in St. Anne. No, he rose to international fame as one of reggae's most distinctive voices, blending politically charged lyrics with spiritual themes and infectious rhythms. He grew up in the farming community of Clarendon and left home at age 14 to work on a sugar plantation. Music became his way out. In his late teens, Romeo won a local talent contest which launched him into the recording industry. He first gained attention in the mid 1960s as a member of the vocal group The Emotions. But it was his 1968 solo hit, Wet Dream, that put Max Romeo on the global map. The sexually suggestive song was banned by the BBC but became a massive hit in the UK, climbing to number 10 on the charts and staying there for 25 weeks. Romeo always insisted that the lyrics were innocent, according to reports, but the controversy made the song and him a household name in reggae circles abroad. As Jamaica moved into the politically volatile 1970s, Romeo's music took on a more serious tone. In 1972, he released Let the Power Fall and I, a song that aligned with the message of democratic socialism and was embraced by the People's National Party (PNP) during their successful campaign led by Michael Manley. His most influential work came in 1976 when he teamed up with the legendary producer Lee Scratch Perry for the landmark album War in a Babylon. One must know that song, right? The album featured songs or hits like One Step Forward, I Chase the Devil, and the title track, all of which showcase Romeo's ability to mix roots reggae with political and spiritual themes. Chase the Devil in particular became a timeless track, later sampled by the Prodigy and Kanye West, exposing Romeo's sound to new generations. After parting ways with Perry, Romeo released Reconstruction 1977, but the album didn't achieve the same level of success. In the late 1970s, he moved to the US where he worked on stage productions and collaborated with artists like the Rolling Stones, even co writing several tracks on their emotional Rescue album. Despite his international collaborations, Romeo remained a committed roots reggae artist. In the 1970s and 2000s, he continued recording and performing, often working alongside his children, including his daughter, who followed in his footsteps with her own reggae career. In 2014, he released the album Fathers and Sons, collaborated with his sons Ronaldo and Romario. In 2023, he filed a 15 million, well, a million, millions lawsuit against Universal Music Group and Polygram Publishing, seeking unpaid royalties for Chase the Devil and other tracks, highlighting the struggles many reggae pioneers have faced with proper compensation and credit. Max Romeo's contribution to reggae music spans over 6 decades. His boldness, unique voice, and commitment to the messages of justice, faith, and social commentary made him a standout figure in Jamaican music history. Though he may be gone, his influence continues to echo through the work of artists he inspired and collaborated with. He is survived by his children and grandchildren and leaves behind a catalogue of music that remains vital, influential, and deeply Jamaican. Now, sadly, he passed at the age of 80, and we're seeing that reports saying that it's from a heart related issue. He that last year, just before his birthday, him that same never feel old. And they feel good and I think I saw that he was still performing. What good, Max Romeo. Big up for the music. And you will never be forgotten. Alright guys, tell us what you think of Max Romeo, any songs that you love, any memories that you have of him. Please share. Jamaica celebrates all our musicians, all our icons. We definitely appreciate them time and time again and forever. That's it for now, guys. Stay upful, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we have more coming your way pretty soon.